In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to create and install an Agent Insight widget on a Leadstreet website. For the website we're going to use is this demonstration site. As you can see, this is the home page as we start out. The first step is to go to agentinsight.net and log in with your Main Street credentials. Doing so will bring you to your profile page on the market site that you serve. You'll notice a new red button appears right below your bio area. It says Get Agent Widgets. If you click that button, you'll be brought to the new Agent Insight widget page, where you can choose a widget from any one of these at the top and then customize it. So for this demonstration, we're interested in the community photo carousel, and as you can see, here's an example of it with these settings of 750 by 235 for the entire area of Birmingham, Alabama. I can customize this widget and choose, for instance, let's say Shelby County, Alabama as the only area shown, and it will be recreated with only that information and with the new headline, Discover Shelby County. I know that I'm going to be using this on the home page of the Leadstreet site, and I know from past experience that this looks better if the widget's a little wider at 900, so I'm going to rebuild it so the widget's a little wider. You can do that by trial and error. It's very easy to do this repetitively, so don't be worried about having to know the exact dimensions ahead of time. Just get close and try it out and see how it works. So once I've done designing the widget and I see it here, and I'm satisfied with this is what I would like to use, I scroll a little further down on the page and I'll see the second step, which is to get the widget. And what a widget is it's a group of code shown in this box. And you don't need to worry about what that is. You just need to push this blue button that says Copy to Clipboard. Okay, now I'm going to go to Leadstreet, and I'm going to log into Leadstreet in the normal way that I would, and go to the Site Builder area. This is where you would modify or customize your website, and that's what we're going to do is we're going to add this widget to the home page of this website. So I do that by going to Site Builder. The Design area is where you control what the home page looks like. And from there, I can go to the Layout task, which controls the layout of the home page. So from there, I'm going to choose the area on the home page where I want my widget to appear. This particular website has a layout that looks like this. Yours may be a little different, but it'll have this general look. And what we're looking for is any text area. You can only put widgets in text areas. So let's say this is what I'd like here is to have this widget to appear at the bottom of the page, showing pictures from the Shelby County market, which is where, let's say, is my area of expertise. So I go down to that text area and click the Edit link. In this case, I want to create my own content because this is going to be a custom insertion here. And it brings up the editor that you could normally use this to type the text. But in this case, we're going to paste the widget code. The way to do that is you have to switch to the HTML source mode with this button at the top left. And then right-click on it and hit Paste. And that puts the widget code that we copied from Agent Insight into this page of the Site Builder. I click Update from here, and it goes back to the editor and actually shows the widget as it's going to appear on my site. I press Submit, and that updates my home page to include that widget. Now, it's not live yet because of the way Site Builder works, it allows you to make changes like that and then click this Preview button to bring up a new, fresh look at your website with those changes. So if I look at my website and I scroll down, I now see the Shelby County, Alabama widget is now at the bottom of my home page, and I can experiment with it and test it and make sure it's right. Might want to make it a little smaller, a little larger. Might want to go experiment with another type of widget. You could free to do all of that. And when you are satisfied with it, all you have to do in Site Builder is publish that preview with the publish button. This is normal Site Builder activity. So I push publish and say yes, and now that widget is available and visible on my website and automatically links into my Agent Insight content from the market site.